Welcome to HUMB. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to withdraw your local currency to your personal bank account. Step 1. Log in to your HUMB account. Start by visiting the HUMB platform and logging in with your email and password. Now, before you can withdraw funds, you'll need to add your bank account. Step 2. Add your personal bank account. To add a bank account, go to your dashboard. Under your email ID, click on My Profile. On the profile page, find the section labeled Add Bank Details and click the Add button. Now fill in the required information. Select currency, choose the currency your bank account uses, usually your local currency. Holder name, enter the name of the bank account holder. Bank name, type in the full name of your bank. Account number, this is critical, so make sure it's entered correctly. SWIFT/IFSC/BBAN code. Enter the appropriate code depending on your region. Country, select your country from the drop-down menu. Bank address, provide the address listed in your bank documents. City, enter the city where your bank is located. Once all details are filled, click Add to save your bank account in HUMB. Step 3. Withdraw funds to your bank account. Now that your bank account is added, go to the Wallet section in your dashboard. Click on Withdraw. The withdrawal page will open. Select the payment type. Choose fiat. Under Payment Methods, select Bank. Then choose the currency you want to withdraw. Your saved bank account will appear automatically. Review the details and click Continue. A withdraw. Fiat window will appear. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Check the fee being charged, then click Withdraw. An OTP will be sent to your registered email. Enter the OTP and click Withdraw again to confirm. That's it. Your withdrawal request will be submitted to our admin team and processed shortly. Enjoy a seamless deposit and withdrawal experience with HUMB. If you have any questions or need more assistance, we're always here to help. Thanks for choosing HUMB.